Hello, welcome to Clickbank Nigeria. This video is to show you how you can participate in Clickbank affiliate marketing from Nigeria in 4 simple steps using Facebook. I am Charles Ekene, and I am a blogger, a digital marketer, an online and offline businessman, and generally I can say I am a digital hustler. The first step we have to take in achieving this goal of participating in Clickbank affiliate marketing from Nigeria. Clickbank, everybody knows, we all know it is a digital and online marketplace based in the United States, and definitely Nigerians are not allowed to participate, but I'm going to give you the secret, the key to that. So many are participating, and I'm going to show you how it can be done. So our first step remains to create a female Facebook account and build our friend list. The reason for this female account is to enable us build our friend list very fast. Building this friend list is going to take us, say, about less than 3 days, because the maximum or minimum number we need friend list number of friends we need to have before we start making business out of it is 1,000. I would recommend that. For you to do that, it won't take you more than 3 days, depending on how fast you are. Here I'm going to show you my female Facebook account. This is my female Facebook account. This is my profile picture, and these are my friends. I already have 1,200 friends here. This was built in the space of 3 days. As you can see, there is no Nigerian or African person there. If there is any African person here, it's going to be probably somebody who based in United States. If you check their profile, you're going to see that they are all, most of them, not all, most of them are from United States. The reason for this is that when I make a post, I engage them. They attend to my post, they click and see the product I am recommending them to buy, and because they like me as a girl, they are already my friends, they are going to make purchase, share my post, and it goes viral in United States. And once they make a purchase, I earn my commission. As you can see, they are all people from, majority are from United States, and all white people. No African friend is there. So you are going to create another Facebook account and use female as your gender and profile picture, so as to start making money. Step number 2 is to create a Payoneer account and obtain your details. This Payoneer is an online bank account or online wallet where you earn your earned money will be deposited, mostly dollar. Clickbank is a dollar business. So once you create your Payoneer account, your details will be sent to you. These details will be using it to create your Clickbank account, and on the process you just make your money. If you look here, you're going to see this is snapshot of my Payoneer account. Sum of my Payoneer account here is $5,600 US, and if you go down, you see this is 9,600, and here we have 900, and so just have different. This is a bank where you earn your dollars, and once you want to cash up this money, all you need to do is you click on this icon here. As you can see, you withdraw to bank account. Once you click here, the steps is very simple and clear. You make the transfer into your bank, your offline bank account, and your bank buys the dollar you're talking about and deposits naira into your account. You cash your money as normal as a Nigerian. And the third step is to create a Clickbank account from Nigeria. Clickbank have stopped Nigerians from participating due to high rate of fraud and so many criminal activities, but there is still a way to do this. You can achieve this by using Epic browser. This Epic browser will enable you to change your IP address. As you can see from here, this is United Kingdom. So whatever you are doing in this environment, we have to tell whoever that's tracking you, because definitely Clickbank have to be tracking who is participating in their website, who is visiting their website, and who is leaving their website. So once they track once they track you, what they will get from their system is that you're coming from United Kingdom. So it's very, very simple to do, and I will just be showing you how you can do that and create your Clickbank account from Nigeria. Here is a snapshot of the account I created on the 20th July, and as you can see, it's a very new account. The last account, Clickbank account, that I created on the 20th July. There is no income that I've earned here, but I tell you, as before the end of September, I've started earning up to $100 per day. As you can see from here, by September I've already started earning some small money. You see, it's beginning to accumulate here. So this is far different from my original Clickbank account. I used this as I created this account while I was making my tutorial video, and I just followed it up. Before you know it, it's already giving me dollars. So Clickbank has just been wonderful, and all the participants have never regretted a bit of it. Step number 4 is to create and cite your Facebook ads to United States. After you must have created your Clickbank account, you generate the hub link of your product, and the next thing you have to do is to cite your advertisement with Facebook to United States. Here you can see how that is done. What you need to do is just change the location. This location here is Nigeria. What you simply need to do is you remove Nigeria and replace with United States, and your advertisement shows up, will be cited to United States. Now Nigerians can no longer see your advertisement, and the people that are going to see it are just people from United States. You see, the map of United States is going to appear. Here you can see it. You can see this is the map of United, where our advertisement will be cited. If you change this location now back to Nigeria, you see Nigeria website, Nigeria map is going to appear. I'm going to show you. We have to remove United States, change back to any other country of our choice, say Nigeria for another example. You make a selection. How do you want it to go? Is it by state or for the whole country? So if we select the whole country, I tell you Nigeria map is going to appear, and this is where our advertisement will be cited. So it is absolutely possible for one to cite advertisement to United States while you are in Nigeria. And lastly, I think the next I have here is the digital tools that will enable us, 3 digital tools to enable us to succeed online. The marketplace, you cannot just dabble into online marketplace, because there you have a lot of products. Some are not marketable, some are marketable as in sellable. There are products that are in demand, but how do you identify these products? I'm going to give you the tools you need. 3 major digital tools that you need to identify a product either as sellable or not sellable. I choose the word sellable just to tell you the one that are in demand, that has high demand, and the one without any demand or low demand. So with these tools, you are going to identify, be successful in your online hustles. Now, to get the detailed video on how to carry out your Clickbank affiliate marketing from Nigeria, the normal price is 3,000 naira, and it is on promo price. Normally, this is a dollar business we're talking about. The price of this video is supposed to, minimum of it is supposed to be 5,000 naira, but I don't want anybody to say the price is high, that's why you are not participating in Clickbank. Just get 3,000 naira is on promo price. Very soon I'm going to change the price. And how do you pay? You pay into the account details below, either here on UBA account, or you pay into my Diamond account. And the next thing you are expected to do is, after payment, you send your evidence and your email address on this WhatsApp number here, and or alternatively you send it on this email address here. But I tell you, I prefer WhatsApp, because attending to emails, we have to take a bit longer time due to it needs some kind of attention, and the subject to your messages should be I have paid for FWM video, which is Facebook Wealth Method video. And above all, I wish you success in your digital hustles. See you at the top.